Hey everyone, it's Nick with Azul Hair Collection, and I'm back here in Bogota. And it's a beautiful day today. The sun is shining in Bogota, Colombia, and it hadn't been shining like this since I got here like 2 weeks ago. So a little bit about me and my boyfriend, we love to travel, and I love hair extensions, therefore he loves hair extensions, of course. And we've rented an Airbnb in El Chico, Bogota. It's kind of like, if you know Atlanta, it's like the Buckhead of Bogota, so it's a really nice area, but really wasn't that expensive. I think it was $48 a night on Airbnb to rent this place, but it's pretty cool. I've got this lovely work of art next to me. I think this is such a powerful photo, so I wanted this photo to join me in this video. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you today about how you are storing your hair extensions. It's very important. I don't know if you're doing one of these numbers, you know, the whole ziplock bag situation. Don't worry, I was guilty of it too, but you know, it's not a good idea. We spend so much money on our hair extensions. We should take care of them even if we're not using them. And with the ziplock bag, it's not breathing in there. It's getting moldy. I mean, you've spent so much money on this, so why put it in a ziplock bag, or even I've seen it in Walmart bags, you know? That moldy smell, like that's no good. We believe so much in our hair extensions that we know that they're gonna last you for at least more than a year. For example, these hair extensions I have in right now, I think you've probably seen them in my previous video. It's our Brazilian Wavy, and I've had this hair for, I think in 2 months, it'll be a year. This hair is amazing. It just, the curl bounces back. It can take it. Like I've colored it 3 times at this point, and as you can see, I've put some layers in it as well, but I love this hair. I mean, it's some really good, durable hair. So we believe so much in our hair extensions that we're gonna give you one of these for free with every purchase. We know your hair extension is gonna be around a long time when you shop from us, so we need you to be storing it in something that's going to maintain the health and the, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, the life, I guess, of your hair extensions. So one of these come with your purchase, with every purchase, whether you buy bundles, clip-ins, a lace wig, you get one of these. And it's huge. Like, I'm super tall, and this thing is, you know, it can hold a lot here. And it just kind of zips down like this, and inside is this little treasure. Put this over here. Get one of these. So it's a wooden hanger that comes inside. You open it up, and there's some felt cloth here to help with the grip. Put your hair extensions inside and lock it back, and it's good to go. This comes in handy, and I'll tell you why. Comes in handy. Here's my Brazilian kinky curly. I custom colored it. Can you see the ombre? Anyway, so this comes in handy for a lot of different reasons. Yesterday I washed these these clip-ins, and I hung it out to dry, and I want to do a twist out on my kinky curly just to see what it'll look like. But all you have to do is like hang it on your shower curtain and then get to work. And if you want to straighten your hair, if you want to blow it out or do a twist out, this hanger comes in handy. So head over to azulhaircollection.com and shop our hair extensions. We have a large variety. My goal is to have the largest selection of Brazilian hair, and the reason why I say Brazilian hair, it is the best. The cost of it is not as expensive as the others, and it lasts for a long time. You're gonna have this hair for a while. And what other company is gonna give you 100% money back guarantee on your hair extensions? I haven't really seen that too often. So head on over, azulhaircollection.com. If you're not following us on social media, we're on Facebook at azulhaircollection.com. Can't talk. We're also on Instagram, we're also on Pinterest, and we're also on Twitter. So follow us, azulhaircollection.com, and also, you know, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more cool videos and hair tutorials and stuff. All right, enjoy your day. I'm going to go outside now because it's sunny, and maybe I'll do some shopping in Bogota. I'll let you know what I find. Ciao.